Hi, I'm Steve Anthony. I'm a handyman here in New York City. About sandblasting compressors. Sandblasting is basically a process by which sand or some other abrasive material is fired through an air pressure line at a surface to remove rust, old paint, things such as that. Well, traditionally it's been sand that's been used. Some of the other materials that have been used are glass bead, metal shot, aluminum oxide. There are a number of abrasive materials that can be used in the sandblasting process. For the purposes of this discussion, we'll refer to all of those abrasives as sandblasting. Now, in order to do a proper sandblasting job, you have to have a compressor. Compressor is simply it's a piston attached to an electric motor that compresses air into a tank. And that compressed air is then released through a hose. And at the end of the hose is a smaller hose that's used as a siphon that's fed into your hopper, which is where your abrasive material is. And the pressure of the air draws that material into the stream and fires it at extremely high speed at your surface. Different types of compressors that are used are basically the two main types. There's a dry compressor and a wet compressor. One uses air and the other uses water to carry the abrasive material to the surface that's being blasted. Obviously, you'd want to use your wet sandblaster outside because it's going to make a heck of a mess, and you don't want to. The wife is going to be very angry with you if you get the water all over the rug.